In today's class, we will see about the seed. What are seeds? Seeds are a tiny part of a plant. They are found inside the fruit. They are found inside the fruit. Different seed is found in different shapes, sizes and colors. This means there are different kinds of seeds. There are different shapes. They are of different shapes. They come in different sizes and also colors. Some seeds may be large. They can be also small, flat, round, smooth or rough also. Some seeds are edible, like edible means we can eat. Edible means we can eat those seeds. What are they? They are of rice, wheat, maize, kidney beans, almonds, soya beans, etc. etc. There are different kinds of seeds that we can eat. So this was the introduction about the seed. Okay, what is the function of the seed? The function, the basic function of the seed is that it grows into a new plant. It grows into a new plant means from the seed only a baby plant grows. This is the basic function of the seed. Now we will see about the parts of a seed. Parts of a seed. The seed has a baby plant inside it. There are three different parts mainly of a seed, as you can see in the diagram. This is the diagram of a seed. You can see the first part is the seed coat and the second part is the cotyledons, or this is also called as the seed leaves. Then we can find a baby plant also inside the seed. Okay, so this is the diagram of a seed where the topmost layer or the outer covering of the seed is called as the seed coat, and then we have the cotyledons, which is also the fleshy part of the seed, and also there is a baby plant that is found inside the seed. Now we will see that in detail. What is a seed coat? The seed coat is the outer covering of the seed. What is its function? It protects the seed. Then there is a small hole on one side of the seed coat. What does that hole do? That hole helps the water to enter the seed. Now the next part is the cotyledons. What does this cotyledons do? Cotyledons are also called as seed leaves. They are also called as seed leaves. These are the fleshy parts of the seed. This part is the fleshy part. Okay, and that is called as cotyledons. And these are found inside the seed. What is its function? The cotyledons stores food for the baby plant. It stores food for this baby plant that is there inside the seed. The cotyledons stores food for this baby plant. So these are the parts of the seed. Hope you all understood. Thank you.